I am making this song using Google Flow Music, totally free of cost. No camera, no professional studio, no singer. Just click a single prompt and make this of type viral song, more realistic, more natural tones. How can you make this type of video totally free and more like this? Okay, first of all you go to Google and search Flow AI, and you can see the first website Flow AI. Just click this. Now you can see lots of option here: Google Flow and Flow Music and Flow TV. You just click Flow Music. Okay, just click Flow Music and you can see a new interface here. Then you just log in here. Click login icon and select your Gmail and continue. Now select my Gmail and also continue. So now our Google Flow Music account is ready here. Okay, now it is our Flow Music interface is songs, playlist, space, music video, project, profile. When I see songs, it is our songs plan. When I create the songs, our all songs history is here. And this is our free account. Okay, this is our totally free account. And now create a music. So create a music, this prompt here, and paste our prompt here. Lots of thing here. I can uploading, recording our original video and create the inspire lyrics, cover photo here, and also recording our live music. And also customize your producer, instrument, yeah, and also lots of option here. You can customize this. So you can easily make this type of song. You can just paste a single music generation prompt and go to ChatGPT. I comment is music generation prompt. Please here you broke the part. It is our music generation prompt here. Just I can copy this prompt and paste here. Just copy this whole prompt and paste our music generation panel and just enter here. Now this tool making a 3 to 4 minute music more realistic and more natural tone. You give me two variation, first one and second one. So fans, our music ready. You can see you can listening the music. So this music totally realistic and more engaging type of music. So you can generate this music totally free of cost and totally easy of method. So you can just download more variation format. You can go to three dot option and click here, and also download option, download video format, then MP4 and then MAA, M4A, MP3 and WAV format. Just you can download this file and this video totally download here. This music is download. So I hope this video help your music generation journey. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more AI video, music and image generation tools. Stay with Hasan Ali. Build your skill, create your future. Thank you.